Think you're smart? Well, prove it. Scan the QR code on screen and join the quiz instantly. You can play by yourself or create a room and challenge your friends. The smartest brain wins. Scan now and start playing.
Welcome to the religion category. Do you know your way around world religions? We're playing on easy mode, designed especially for kids aged 5 to 10.
Quiz starting soon. Scan to join.
Are you ready to start? Here we go. Who was the mother of Jesus? In which city was Jesus born? How many disciples did Jesus choose? Who baptized Jesus? What did Jesus turn water into at the wedding in Cana? Sort these events from Jesus' life in the correct order. On which day did Jesus rise from the dead? Which gospel comes first in the New Testament? How many days did Jesus spend fasting in the desert? Who betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver? What sea did Jesus famously walk on? How many wise men, magi, came to visit baby Jesus, according to tradition? Sort these books of the New Testament in the order they appear in the Bible. What did the angel Gabriel tell Mary? Who was the Roman governor who sentenced Jesus to death? Time to check your score. How are you doing? Let's continue the quiz. How many books are in the New Testament? What is the first miracle Jesus performed? Which disciple denied Jesus 3 times? Sort these disciples alphabetically by first name. Where was Jesus crucified? Who rolled away the stone from Jesus' tomb? How many loaves of bread did Jesus use to feed the 5,000? What symbol represents the Holy Spirit in the New Testament? What country did the Holy Family flee to after Jesus was born? Sort these events from Easter weekend in the correct order. Which disciple was known as the doubter? What was Jesus' job before he began his ministry? How many fish did the disciples catch after Jesus told them to cast their net on the right side of the boat? Where did Jesus deliver the Sermon on the Mount? Who wrote the most books in the New Testament? And that's the final question. How many did you get right? Check your results in the app and see your final score. Let us know in the comments how you did. Challenge your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.